like it's exceptionally quiet after the halving cycle. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, man. I don't Discord. Where y'all at? Discord was going crazy. Like me, everybody. What? No, it is quiet. Like okay. So let's do a full review. If you like these type of videos, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. All right, so we're gonna talk about Genius AI. All right, I was kind of like sneak peeking and talking about this on the stream, right? And this could do something. This could do something like Tau. Now, I'm not saying it is Tau or the next Tau, but this is a very interesting token. All right, full transparency. I hold this token. But I want to do a full review, right? Because again, in crypto, when you discover these type of narratives, and I talked about this in the Patreon video I just did, right? How this guy right here, Mr. billionaire Stan Druckenmiller, is selling Nvidia and buying two artificial AI stocks. One of them was Microsoft, and then there was the other one, right? And the whole thing about Microsoft here is cloud infrastructure and machine learning, right? That's kind of like the narrative, right? So, you want to kind of align maybe some things in your portfolio if you're into AI around what you see the big brains buying, even if it's in the stock market, all right? Definitely not financial advice, but again, AI, I feel like is going to be a huge narrative, guys, a huge narrative, all right? So let me know in the comments what your favorite low cap or micro cap AI project is. The real ones. Let me know the real ones. All right, so let's get into Genius Token. What is Genius Token? Well, first and foremost, you can see here it's sitting around a $31 million market cap, 34 million FDV. It's a rather new token, right? Came out around April 10th here on CoinGecko, right? So they're still new, right? But it's starting to catch some waves across crypto Twitter, and could potentially do something crazy like we seen from Tau. Now I had to go and check the actual max supply, and the actual max supply, as you can see here, is a 900,000 Genius, right? And this thing is less than $100, right? It's definitely giving me them Tau vibes when Tau was around $50, 40, $50, right? We got an opportunity here with 3,000 holders to find what I would say a AI small cap gem, right? And we base our 100x projects, off the perfect recipe. So actually, let's go to it here and then pull that up. I should have had that pulled up for you guys, but I didn't. So we'll pull it up here, our 100x, right? So we want the tokenomics, what I just explained here. We'll talk about the team a little bit later. Demand and hype, how this can get demand and hype and being adopted. Can it be adopted by institutions? Is it something retail will use on a daily basis? When you think about brand, right? And we're going to talk about brand and also a product. Okay, so make sure we get 100 likes on this, guys. What is Genius AI, right? Genius AI utilizes decentralized blockchain to enable GPU processing for artificial intelligence and ML, right? Machine learning. Users can contribute their device's compute power to process AI and ML data, and in return, they receive Genius crypto tokens, right? DPIN. That's a DPIN play right there. These tokens can be used for in-app purchases or exchange for other cryptocurrencies. And again, guys, always go out there and do your due diligence, do your research, right? Especially with AI tokens, especially when they're talking about GPU and things of that sort, right? Because it's a very, very narrative that's easy to talk about, but everybody can't execute actually what needs to be done, okay? And I want to talk about, well, I have a bit of confidence in these guys, but again, crypto, it's crypto, man. It's just crypto, right? Use case. So how can this be utilized, right? We talked about the 100x sauce right here, and we real world use case. Swinging back over, Genius AI's utility might be used by a university research group that needs additional processing power for their AI models. They could use Genius AI to tap into the collective GPU resources provided by other users across the network. In return for offering their computing power, contributors receive Genius crypto tokens, which they could use for other services within the Genius ecosystem or exchange for fiat currency. Now, there are a lot of tokens that's allowing you to borrow and lend out your GPU, and in return, you can earn earn the crypto tokens, right? So this is, if a university research group, right, adopted this because they need more power, they need more GPU power, right? Because it takes a lot of power to run these AI models, to host, right, servers and things of that sort. They might tap into Genius AI's tech, right? Like, hey, lend me some of that power, right? And a person, ourselves, right? If we got a computer or whatever, and we're lending out that GPU power, you get compensated in in Genius AI tokens, which makes it a deep end project, right? That's what you want to see. All right, so tech rating, right? I threw this in AI, and they gave me a tech rating, right? So rating. As a DeFi analyst, AI decided to rate Genius Tech, right, a 75 out of 100. It says the concept of decentralizing AI processing using blockchain technology is innovative and taps into underutilized resources. However, the real world implementation and scalability and user adoption are crucial factors that will determine its long term success, which I agree 110%, right? You'll see sometimes these projects that say, hey, you can get compensated in tokens for lending out GPU or et cetera, and they don't even got any miners. They don't got nothing, right? And then you'll see some projects that post those pictures of their warehouse to prove that, hey, you can do this stuff. Now, there's something unique about how Genius AI is allowing people to borrow, lend, and even earn those Genius tokens. And we're going to talk about that as well. And it's the platform. It's the way that the platform is delivered, right? Most of these platforms are delivered on Telegram, right? You got to go through Telegram and follow the directions from the bot on the Telegram, and then it'll let do that, right? It's only a few that have apps. I know GHX is one of them. You can actually download it directly on your computer. Their app here works on all devices, on Windows, OS X, iOS, Android, Linux, Windows, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, and IoT devices. So you'll be able to. This is crazy. This is crazy. They have a whole app, right? A whole app where you be able to utilize their utilities, right? Crazy. The customer can select AI or machine learning algorithms through a customer portal, and data can be uploaded or served directly from the customer secure service right here directly on the app. That is crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. So guys, go do your research, right? Because this app is going to be insane if they can execute and do all the things that what I mean. It's crazy. It says once you entered our ecosystem, you can manage everything. Anyone with a smartphone, computer, any IoT device and internet connection can participate in their ecosystem. Crazy, right? Now, that's crazy, right? So it's not going to be built on Telegram. I don't have nothing against some of these projects that's doing it on Telegram, but the ones that like deliver a platform like we're seeing here with Genius AI, again, guys, this is what you want to see. This is what you want to see. All right, now this was interesting also, right? The hybrid crypto token system uses internal directed acyclic graph DAG based blockchain that executes transactions. So they're also a DAG project, right? A huge buzzword in the crypto space. So you can see why this thing will start to spread fast. But wait, there's more. The app is not the even most bullish thing about their ecosystem. The most bullish thing about their project is the team. They got Kenneth Hurley, Brent Arias, Henrique Klein, but who tops off the team here is Michael Hara, right? Michael Hara, ex NVIDIA VP. I believe he's the NVIDIA VP from 2000 to 2011. And about the CEO, Kenneth Hurley here, you can see Kenneth is a seasoned engineer managing with 25 years of experience leading technology platforms, Google, AWS cloud systems, partnerships, external relationships. He has a proven record of building and managing high performance engineer teams, overseeing software testing and maintenance, and driving technical direction for organizations. And I like how the start of his paragraph on his about section says the goal is to exceed previous exit for investors of 16x with last company in the AI and crypto space. So I don't know what other company he worked with in the AI and crypto space, but they must have done a clean 16x, right? So very, very interesting, right? He has experience in gaming, cloud computing, blockchain. I mean, this team seems seems to have it all, right? So as long as this, is that official, right? It's the official website, right? I'm pretty sure they wouldn't be. You never. I know they ain't just stoop that low, taking people pictures, and say this is the team, right? Hopefully not, right? Hopefully, this team is you know who they say they are, right? Because this would be extremely bullish for the project. Of course, you're taking a chance with anything in crypto, so you never know, right? You got to go down the rabbit hole, right? And this is starting to be talked about here on crypto Twitter. This is from CB Trades. He got about 27,000 followers. He says this has potential to be absolutely massive. Still only $31 million market cap, down a lot from the ATH. So even after 42% pump, entries are still great here. Team is ex Nvidia, fully doxed and licensed company in the US with patented tech. App and mainnet going live in about 1 to 2 months. So it can definitely generate some hype up to the mainnet launch, which would be kind of like about a rumor sell the news event, right? I can see that happening here. Nice little bounce for the day. I think it bounced at one point like $38, right? And I talked about how this was a great entry point on the stream, right? And if we swing over here to their Twitter page, if I can actually find it, well, I guess the Twitter page is not on Dex Tools, unfortunately. All right, we can. Okay, where's the Twitter? Got no Twitter page? What? Okay, let's go here. Let's see if the Twitter page is at the bottom. I swear I've been to their Twitter page right before, right? Okay, cool. I knew I wasn't tripping. I knew I wasn't tripping. I knew I went to the page, right? 25,000 followers here. Genius Ventures offers a cutting-edge decentralized computing platform for businesses, games, and AI companies with a built-in blockchain payment system. Yes, they have a built-in blockchain payment system, and we talked about how it's utilizing DAG technology, guys. So, yeah, this is a full review here. Guys, you let me know what you think. Looks like these guys are even doing their own video here.
I usually do engineering in my engineering practices. We develop a lot of code and we do a lot of what's called unit tests, and that allows us to keep down the QA cycles or the quality assurance cycles down to a minimum when we launch. We're a pretty solid beta when we launch stuff. And the reason for this is I've found over my career that it enables me to quickly uh, get past a QA cycle so there's not a lot of bugs or security issues once we
I
launch.
like the
And so I'm
fact
going to
that they're
kind of show
talking
you the
about
pieces
security
that we've
issues.
been.
Like I believe this is the team right here. I believe this is the team. Yeah, this is the team, and this guy right here is the CEO. So this right here, this is Ken Hurley, right? Kenneth Hurley, going live here on the Twitter page. So this is huge for me. This is huge for me. This is huge for me. I respect this. This is why I have very high conviction on this project. This is why, right? You experienced guy out, experienced dog experience. Okay, you know what he seemed like. He out here coding live. I respect that. At the end of the day, I respect that. Guys, go do your due diligence. Team is docs, man. This is the video right here. This guy seems to believe in what he's building. He's building it right in front of people. I mean, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. And they look like they'll be using AXL technology to go multi-chain, aka omni-chain. So that's good, right? I seen it on their website that they're working to bridge to other chains, right? So full review here on Genius Token, guys. Let me know what you think about Genius Token. I don't know, man. I hold this token, and when I look at the chart here, I got in at it's giving me them vibes. It's giving me them vibes, right? 900,000 max tokens, team doxed, only a $31 million market cap. This could do something similar Tao does. This could do something similar Tao does, and they have ex Nvidia people. Guys, y'all let me know what y'all think about full review. If you want more full reviews on these new cryptocurrencies, hit that like, hit that like, hit that like. It's your Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.